Yeah, what's going on, family? Shaman B Miles coming to you live once again with another video from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. In this early morning, man, I actually want to come to y'all with a video, man, talk about something that just happened a few hours ago that was very devastating, man. Mexico has actually been rocked with an earthquake of a magnitude to like a 8.4. And as I'm going through my notes right about now, man, they saying that this thing happened like late Thursday night. And as a matter of fact, they were saying that, I'm sorry, y'all, just so early in the morning. They said this happened off the coast of southern Mexico in the magnitude of 8.0. And it's actually like around like 165 kilometers off the top of Chula. And it's actually like in the southern part of like I believe it's called Chiapas, not far from Guatemala, and it's also a possible threat of a tsunami. And these are actually going to be rocking like a couple of countries, you know, that's really not that far. Countries like Guatemala, countries like El Salvador, Honduras, and a couple other countries. This thing has happened like late Thursday night or early Friday morning. And they saying this thing has like a threat of tsunami, and at the same time I actually put up a video, not to mention, saying that, you know, there's actually like a storm, you know what I mean, named a tropical storm named Katia, which is right off the Gulf Coast of Mexico. And this is actually going on right about now, man. Like you already got Hurricane Irma, which is going on. You got Jose following up behind, and then you got like this actual another tropical storm that's going to turn into a hurricane, you know, that's actually going to turn into a hurricane for real, named Hurricane Katia, that's right off the Gulf of Mexico. And now all of a sudden, like, Mexico has been rocked with an earthquake. This is another major one that we had since the eclipse. And I'm telling you, man, like, these things are really happening more frequent than usual. And when I'm seeing how Mexico has been rocked, man, like, this thing has really rocked. It's an 8.4. It is the strongest one that they have had ever since 1985, ever since there was a tremor that happened down in Mexico. And this thing has really rocked the country, and this is like very catastrophic, and it's very cataclysmic. And I just felt the need that I had to come to y'all with this right here, man, because, you know, what's affecting, you know what I'm saying, like I said, ever since like the eclipse, the weather patterns has been like real crazy. That's been real tricky, and it's been storm after storm, and it's been like you know what I mean, catastrophic things going on with these storms, especially going on down in Mexico, when this thing has literally rocked them with an 8.4 earthquake. So, you know, whatever's, you know what I mean, so they really not that far, you know, from, you know, the United States of America. So you best believe, man, you best believe, man, anything that's stretching down there, it can affect us up here. You know, so so like prayers are going out. I'm actually going to go out to people that are down there, you know, because you know what I mean, down in Mexico, there are Afro-Mexican people that are down there in Mexico as well. You know, so, and also too, there's actually been like a lot of aid, you know, coming, you know, from that community down there in Mexico when he was helping out during Hurricane Harvey. So I definitely want to give a shout out, you know what I mean, to those people, and I hope that those people are down there down in Mexico actually safe, you know, and also, like I said, there's a lot of Afro-Mexican family that is down there in Mexico that has been affected by this thing as well. So I just had to put together this video, man. You know, it's early in the morning over here on the East Coast, but I just had to bring this to y'all, man. So this is very critical, and it's very key right about now. So I had to put together this video, man, you know what I mean, just update y'all about what just happened down in Mexico. You know, felt the need, had to put this thing out there. You know, keep on liking and subscribing to my channel. I always appreciate the love. And this is B Miles coming to you live once again from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. One love once again. Peace.